No, but for all the kids are home from school for Easter, and my house was a wreck, and I had to wear my glasses because the one day I woke up and my eye was all red, and Tim told me not to put my contacts back in, but I didn't listen, and I put them back in like 3 days later after my eye wasn't red anymore, and then my eye got real nasty and real crusty, and all sorts of stuff was coming out of it. So now I have to wear these babies. And I didn't know there was such thing as anti-glare glasses when I bought them. I didn't know there was an option. I just figured they all were anti-glare. So we're gonna clean my damn house. It's gonna get dirty 5 minutes later. But it needs done, because I can't do anything when my house is a dang wreck. So if you want to see me clean my house, stay tuned.
So I'm just going to be starting with my laundry. If you watch my other videos, I usually always try and start with laundry because I just find that I get more done if I start a load in the beginning of when I start cleaning. I'm just using my Norwex laundry detergent like usual. I usually try and do a load of laundry a day just to keep up with doing 5 people's laundry, but we've been sick, so I've definitely gotten behind. So I have quite a bit of laundry to do. Now I'm moving on to the dreaded dishwasher. And also, if you're on Instagram, make sure you go follow me at Alyssa's_lifestyle. I always post on Instagram, so I'd love to connect with you on there. But I'm basically just putting all of the dishes in the dishwasher away. I absolutely hate doing this job. I cannot wait to pass it on to one of the kids. It was my chore when I was a teenager, and I loathe it. And then, of course, we had to take a little break because mom life. We can never finish any simple task. It was lunchtime, so I made the kids some grilled cheese sandwiches and a million other things because no one can ever eat the same things.
What are you having for lunch, little tiny robot baby? Grilled cheese? Is that grilled cheese? Oh, roll. Little tiny robot baby in your robot jammies. Because why get dressed, right, Finn? Why get dressed sometimes when it's raining outside? Wanda, who you watching? Ruby Roo. Ruby Roo.
All right, we are back on task again, guys. So, you're really laughing in the background. So basically now I am just going to be refilling up that dishwasher. So the whole process just starts over and over and over again. And then these are like little cupcake holders, or you can put a cake in it. And it's like the one thing that I dread using because I dread cleaning these. I actually just threw them in the dishwasher. I don't think I'm supposed to, but I did anyways. So we'll see how they turned out. I think it actually just finished, so I'm going to check and see if they ended up okay in the dishwasher. But now I'm just going to be taking my Norwex kitchen cloth. I love this rag because it literally just holds on to crumbs. And I'm just going to wipe down the countertops and underneath Finley's little baby grass mat bottle dryer thingy-mabob. It gets really gross underneath it from time to time. And I also, if you have one of these, clean underneath the grass because they get gross under there too. I just did mine the other day, so I'm not going to do it again. Ugh, and now I have to hand wash items. I absolutely hate hand washing items as well. I'm not a real fan of the whole dish thing, if you haven't gathered that yet. But yeah, I always like this little Snackies cup. I feel like it's really annoying, and London really likes it. You can't even fit like hardly any snacks in the top. Like, definitely not enough for London to be full when she's eating a snack. But then I am cleaning. This is like the only thing that I like to hand wash is the top of Finley's little high chair, just because I like the satisfaction of knowing that it's really clean. And for some reason, there's always cat hair on this. Like, I don't see cat hair around many places in my house besides on the top of that and then on the top of my stove. It's like the only two places. And then the never-ending chore of washing bottles. #MomLife. Comment down below the one chore in your house that seems like it is never, ever, ever done. I clean my stove like twice a day, and it still is always dirty. Like I said, I always find cat hair on here. It must just attract it. I don't understand. And like, my cats must shed 24/7 because I run my Dyson 2 to 3 times a day, and I don't get it. The struggle is real with cat hair. So I just used my Norwex kitchen cloth, and then I just use the polishing rag for all of my appliances, so I don't have to use any chemicals. It gets it clean, it gets up any grease or residue or nasty stuff, and it makes it shiny. So it's super simple, super easy. As always, if you have any questions about Norwex or you want to order, all the information for that will be in the description box, and my email, and also my Norwex site if you just want to go on and order anything. They can ship directly to you, so it is wonderful stuff, and I highly recommend you try them out. Gotta recycle, so I just always get a plastic bag and then just put all the recyclables that I've gathered from a day or two and just take it out. Usually just sit it in the garage for Tim to do. I don't go out in the garage because it is friggin' cold out there. Let me tell you, it is not spring here. I don't know why they always say that. I mean, I get why they say it's spring, but I mean, I just feel like up north and areas like that it should just wait and it be spring for like 7 days, and then summer, and then fall for 8 days, and then winter. That's basically what the schedule is where I live. So then you'll see me again. I always clean where people push the buttons for the water and the ice on the refrigerator, and also the handles. Usually everything else is clean because I do it so often, but I just know that there's no bacteria on it then and no fingerprints. And then I always wipe down my stools because the kids, for some reason, they just cannot use their napkins. Would love to know why. And then just using my Dyson cordless to vacuum the floors. Every mom needs this, and I got mine on sale at Lowe's, super cheap, like for like $300. And I know it's not the newest one, but I feel like they all work the same. And this is, honest to God, my most favorite gift I've ever gotten. I got it for one of my birthday gifts. Ooh, now we're in my downstairs bathroom. I feel like you guys have never really been in here very much because it's super small and there's no natural lighting, so it's really hard to film. In here, as you can see, I'm like trying to hold and clean at the same time. And everyone loves my sink, and don't ever get a sink like this, you guys. I literally have to clean this all the time or it just looks so gross. And then also just using my Dyson quick in the bathroom, and then kind of fluffing the rug and laying it back down. And then here in a second, I just wiped down my entryway table because you guys have never really seen out there either. And then Finley was not allowing me to film any longer. So that's as much as we got done today, guys. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back. If you are new, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I put out multiple videos in a week. And you can hit my little picture here, or you can check out my last video. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next one.